Hey everybody, welcome to Cashmojo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2022 and give you 10 profitable YouTube channel ideas, also known as niches. Stick it to the end of the video because we're going to reveal something that could potentially skyrocket your faceless YouTube business. Be sure to like and subscribe, then turn on the notification bell icon, sit back and relax, and let's get started. Starting a faceless YouTube channel can be very profitable. Many people enjoy watching YouTube videos, but fewer people are aware of the benefits of starting a faceless YouTube channel. One of the main benefits is that it can help you to build a larger audience for your brand. When you have a face attached to your brand, people are more likely to associate your content with you personally. However, when you have a faceless channel, people are more likely to see your content as being impartial and objective. This can help you to attract a wider range of viewers as well as helping you to build trust with your audience. In addition, a faceless channel can also be a great way to test out new ideas and concepts without having to worry about offending or alienating your existing audience. So if you're looking for a way to grow your brand and reach a larger audience, starting a faceless YouTube channel could be the answer. So here's how to get started with each 10 ideas. Number 10, science. Have you ever considered starting a science YouTube channel? It's a great way to share your love of science with the world, and it can be a lot of fun too. This could be a great way to connect with like-minded people and share your passion for scientific discovery. Before you get started, it's important to consider what kind of content you want to produce. Will you be doing experiments, reviewing products? You don't need to be a rocket scientist to start a science channel on YouTube, but it helps if you're passionate about your subject matter. If you're not comfortable showing your face on camera, that's okay. There are plenty of ways to produce engaging videos without being in front of the camera. One option is to create animated explainer videos. This could be a great way to break down complex topics and make them more accessible to a wider audience. Another option is to use voiceovers with still images or footage. This approach can lend your videos a more professional feel and allows you to focus on the content without worrying about your appearance. Whatever approach you choose, remember that clarity and passion are the key to making your science channel a success. Number 9, American football channel. If you're a fan of American football, then you know that there's always plenty of action to watch. Touchdowns, interceptions, sacks, there's never a dull moment. And with so many games being played every week, it can be tough to keep up with all of the latest highlights. That's where a dedicated American football channel can come in handy. But if you're thinking about starting your own channel, you may be wondering if you need to show your face on camera. The good news is that you don't necessarily have to put yourself in front of the camera to run a successful channel. There are plenty of ways to connect with your audience and provide informative and entertaining content without ever revealing your identity. So whether you're shy or just prefer to stay behind the scenes, starting an American football channel is definitely within your reach. Number 8, ASMR. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a phenomenon that is becoming increasingly popular. Many people enjoy the calming and tingling sensations that ASMR videos can provide. Although there are many ASMR channels on YouTube, some people are hesitant to start their own channel for fear of showing their faces on camera. However, it is possible to start an ASMR channel without showing your face. One option is to use props or wear a mask to cover your face. Another option is to only film close-ups of your hands or other body parts. By taking these steps, you can still enjoy the benefits of ASMR while protecting your identity. Remember that ASMR is all about creating a relaxing and soothing experience for your viewers. As long as you keep that in mind, you'll be on your way to success, whether you choose to show your face on camera or not. Starting an ASMR channel can be a fun and a relaxing way to connect with others. Number 7, exotic cars. If you're passionate about exotic cars, then you might be thinking about starting your own YouTube channel dedicated to them. There are a few things you'll need to do in order to get started. First, you'll need to come up with a catchy name and logo for your channel. You'll also need to buy or rent a high-quality camera to use for filming. Once you have all of your equipment, you'll need to start filming videos. You can film reviews of different exotic cars, vlogs about your experiences with your own car, or even instructional videos on how to care for an exotic car. If you put out high-quality content and build up a large following, you can even turn your YouTube channel into a full-time business. You don't need to show your face to start an exotic cars channel. You can still provide high-quality, engaging content without revealing your identity. In fact, there are several benefits to starting a channel without showing your face. First, it allows you to remain anonymous. This can be beneficial if you want to avoid unwanted attention or stalkers. Additionally, it allows you to create a brand that is not associated with any one person. This can help to build a more professional image for your channel. Finally, it gives you the freedom to change your appearance or persona at any time. So if you're thinking about starting an exotic cars channel, don't let the thought of showing your face discourage you. You can still be successful without revealing your identity. Number 6. Luxury. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, luxury might be the perfect niche for you. Not only is there a growing interest in luxury lifestyle content, but there's also less competition than in other genres. Plus, with the right strategy, you can build a successful channel that attracts high-end brands and sponsorships. Here are a few tips to get you started. First, find your unique angle. What makes your luxury lifestyle channel different from the rest? Whether it's your personal style, exclusive access to events or locations, or insider knowledge, make sure you have a clear USP that will appeal to viewers. Second, invest in quality production. When it comes to luxury content, looks matter. Make sure your videos are well produced with high quality visuals and audio. It's also important to invest in professional editing and branding for your channel. Third, build an engaged community. A key part of any successful YouTube channel is its community. Work on building relationships with your viewers. Number 5, restaurant reviews. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and had a terrible experience? Or maybe you've had a great meal at a new spot and wanted to tell everyone about it. Either way, starting a restaurant review channel can be a great way to share your opinion with the world. Starting a restaurant review channel without showing your face may seem like a strange idea, but it can actually be a great way to connect with viewers. For one thing, it allows you to be more candid and honest with your reviews without worrying about how you look on camera. Additionally, it can help build trust with viewers who may feel like they know you better when they can't see your face. And finally, it can be fun to experiment with different personas and characters when you're not limited by your physical appearance. So if you're thinking about starting a restaurant review channel, don't be afraid to go anonymous. Who knows, you might just become a YouTube sensation. Not only will you be able to help others make informed decisions about where to eat, but you'll also get to sample some amazing food. Restaurant reviews can be a helpful way to narrow down your options, and with so many options available online, starting your own restaurant review channel can be a great way to share your opinion with the world. Number 4, workout. In recent years, fitness YouTubers have become increasingly popular, with many people turning to them for workout inspiration and guidance. While most fitness YouTubers show their faces on camera, there are some who choose to remain anonymous, instead opting to show only their bodies. There are a few reasons why someone might make this choice. For one, they want to keep their personal and professional lives separate. Additionally, they may feel more comfortable working out without being in the spotlight. Whatever the reason, there are a number of ways to start a successful workout YouTube channel without showing your face. One option is to use avatars or cartoons to represent yourself. Another is to film from the angle that doesn't show your face, such as filming from above or behind. You can also wear a mask or bandana if you're worried about being recognized. And if you really don't want to be on camera at all, you can always create animated workouts or use clips from other videos. By getting creative with your camera angles and using other visual elements, you can create a successful workout YouTube channel without revealing your identity. Number 3, history. Are you interested in history? Do you have a passion for sharing your knowledge with others? If so, then starting a history YouTube channel could be the perfect way to combine your interests. On your channel, you can discuss topics like ancient civilizations, major historical events, and fascinating historical figures. You can also give your viewers a behind-the-scenes look at your research process, sharing tips and tricks for uncovering fascinating stories from the past. Best of all, you would have the opportunity to connect with like-minded people from all over the world who are passionate about history. Assuming you want tips on starting a history YouTube channel without showing your face, the first step is to come up with interesting ideas for videos. You could take a look at other history channels and see what topics they cover, and try to come up with something unique that you could offer. Once you have some ideas, the next step is to start planning and filming your videos. If you're not comfortable showing your face on camera, there are a few ways around this. One option is to use voiceover narrations or text overlays instead of on-camera speaking. Another option is to use historical images and footage instead of filming yourself. Whatever approach you take, make sure that your videos are high quality and engaging. Lastly, promote your channel across social media and other online platforms to help attract viewers. With some effort and creativity, you can start a successful history YouTube channel without ever showing your face on camera. Number 2, documentaries. If you're interested in making documentaries, starting a documentary YouTube channel is a great way to get started. You don't need a lot of expensive equipment or experience to get started, and also don't need to show your face to have a successful documentary YouTube channel. In fact, there are plenty of examples of documentaries that have been done without revealing the face of a person behind the camera. If you're interested in starting a documentary YouTube channel but are worried about showing your face, there are a few things you can do to make your videos more anonymous. First, consider using a voiceover instead of an on-camera narration. This will allow you to tell your story without revealing your identity. You can also shoot your footage from a distance or use creative angles and editing techniques to keep your face off camera. As long as you're telling an interesting and engaging story, viewers will be interested in watching your documentary, regardless of whether they see your face. Before we hit number 1, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Number 1, make money online. This one is one of my absolute favorites. The make money online niche is very profitable, just like technology and fitness. If you're passionate about teaching others how to be financially successful or want to share your knowledge, then I highly recommend getting on this path. We partner up with a successful YouTuber named Matt Parr, also known as Make Money Matt, to provide a free mini course, and you can find the link in the description below. It covers all the basics and gets into the details of starting a faceless YouTube channel. The course will also show you how to quickly scale your channel while automating almost the entire process. So if you're serious and really want to take your YouTube game to the next level, click the link in the description now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.